Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a world beyond cell towers and signal bars, a frontier of satellite connectivity for smartphones. Buckle up, tech enthusiasts, because this is a game changer for anyone who craves constant connection, even the most remote corners of the planet. Imagine this: you're scaling a mountain miles away from civilization when disaster strikes. Your phone takes a tumble, and just like that, you're cut off from the world. No calls, no texts, no way to send an SOS. But what if your phone could reach beyond the traditional network, directly connecting to a satellite and getting you the help you need? That's the promise of satellite connectivity for smartphones, and it's on the horizon. Setting the stage, let's face it, our smartphones are like extensions of ourselves. We rely on them for everything from staying connected with loved ones to navigating unfamiliar places and even calling for help in emergencies. But what happens when you venture off the beaten path where cell service becomes a distant memory? This is where satellite connectivity steps in, offering a lifeline when traditional networks fail. The big players join the race. The good news is tech giants like Google and Samsung are taking notice. Rumors are swirling that Google's upcoming Android 15 update might introduce built-in support for satellite communication, potentially making it a feature on new Pixel phones. Samsung isn't far behind either. Hints within their emergency SOS features and phone apps suggest they're also exploring similar technology, possibly for their Galaxy S25 lineup and beyond. Under the hood, how it works. So how exactly does this satellite connectivity work? In simpler terms, your phone would be equipped with special hardware that allows it to communicate with satellites orbiting the Earth. When you're out of cell range, your phone would send a signal to a satellite, which would then relay that signal to emergency services or whoever you're trying to reach. It's like having a personal mini cell tower in your pocket, ready to activate whenever needed. Real-world benefits. A lifesaver in disguise. Now, let's get real. This technology isn't just about bragging rights. Imagine the countless scenarios where satellite connectivity could be a lifesaver. Hikers lost in the wilderness, adventurers exploring uncharted territories, or even people caught in natural disasters. All could benefit from the ability to send an SOS when there's no cell service. It's about peace of mind knowing that help is just a satellite signal away. Unique selling points, standing out from the crowd. But is satellite connectivity a game changer for every phone user? Not necessarily. For most everyday situations, our trusty cell networks do a fantastic job. However, for those who crave adventure or find themselves in remote locations regularly, this feature could be a valuable addition. It's like having an extra layer of security, a safety net that ensures you're never truly disconnected. Expert insights, weighing the pros and cons. Now it's important to acknowledge that this technology is still in its early stages. We reached out to industry experts, linked to expert interviews to get their take. Some believe satellite connectivity has the potential to revolutionize smartphone capabilities, while others caution about potential limitations like data transfer speeds and battery consumption. What's next? The road ahead. So what does the future hold for satellite connectivity in smartphones? While there's no concrete timeline yet, the involvement of major players like Google and Samsung indicates it's a development worth watching closely. We'll be keeping our eyes peeled for official announcements, industry reports, linked to industry reports, and leaks from reputable sources linked to news articles to bring you the latest updates. Now it's your turn. What are your thoughts on satellite connectivity for smartphones? Is it a feature you find valuable? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future tech explorations. The world is getting smaller, but with satellite connectivity, our ability to stay connected is about to get much broader. Imagine a future where even the most remote locations are within reach, where sending an SOS or capturing a breathtaking mountain view is possible from anywhere on the planet. The possibilities are endless, and we're excited to see how this technology unfolds. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and stay connected, even if it means reaching for the stars.